Good morning! Welcome to day 21 of 30-day morning yoga challenge. Let's begin today in mountain pose, standing at the top of the mat. Press your palms together in front of your heart. With your next inhale, lift your arms and chest up into standing back bend. Exhale, circle your arms down and bring them back together in front of your chest. Inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, circle your arms down, opening through the front of the body. One more time, inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, release, palms together. With inhale, sweep your arms up, stretch up. Exhale, fold down, forward bend. Release fingertips to the ground and walk your feet out on spot, bending one knee and another. With your next inhale, lift your chest halfway up, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold down over your legs. Inhale, halfway up, lengthen the spine. And exhale, release down. Last time, inhale. Exhale, fold down. Plant your palms down on the mat and step your feet back into high plank. Hold here. Press the floor away, the whole body strong. You can always modify by bringing your knees down if you need to. Take one more inhale. And exhale, lay down to your belly. Keep your hands next to your chest, elbows point back, 3 baby cobras. Inhale, lift your chest and head. Exhale, release forehead down. Inhale, lift, try to use your back muscles, not so much weight on the hands. Exhale, release. And last time, inhale to lift your chest into baby cobra. Exhale, release down. Tuck your toes under, press yourself up into downward dog. Stay still for a few breaths or walk your feet out. One more big breath in downward facing dog. And step your right foot forward into warrior one. Ground your back heel down. Lift your arms up overhead. Rotate your hips forward to the front of the mat as much as you can. Inhale, reach up through your fingertips. Exhale, open into warrior two. Adjust your back heel in line with the front heel. Hips are now facing to the long edge of the mat. Arms extended in line with the shoulders. Gaze over your front hand. With your next inhale, reach your right arm up and back into reverse warrior. And exhale, bring your palms down. Step your right foot back into plank. With inhale, shift your weight forward. Exhale, lower down to your belly. Point your feet, prepare for cobra. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Same on the other side. Step your left foot forward, lower your back heel down. And with inhale, raise up into warrior one. Take one more big inhale. Exhale, warrior two. Bring your back foot in line with the front foot and open your hips. Keep pressing down through your feet. Shoulders relaxed away from the ears, but arms stay strong. Inhale, reach your left arm up and back, reverse warrior. Exhale, bring your hands down, step your left foot back, high plank. Inhale, shift your weight forward. Exhale, lower down to the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. One big breath in downward facing dog. And step your right foot forward again into warrior one. Raise up to standing, roll your shoulders back and interlace fingers behind your lower back. Inhale to lift your chest a bit higher, look up. Exhale, slowly fall down to your front knee, your inner thigh, humble warrior. Keep gently pulling your hands away from the body to stretch the shoulders. One more big breath here. And come up to standing. Inhale, lift your arms up, warrior one. Exhale, hands down, step back to plank. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, lay down to your mat. Inhale, back bend, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. And same on the other side, step your left foot forward, adjust your feet, raise up into warrior one, and interlace fingers behind your back. Inhale, lift your chest, pull your hands down, and exhale, bend forward to your inner thigh. Come in as low as you can. And press yourself up to standing. Release your hands. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms down, high plank. Inhale. And exhale, release down to the mat. Inhale for cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here, press the floor away, lift your sit bones up towards the ceiling and press down through your heels. From downward facing dog, walk your feet forward, cross your shins and sit down to the mat into cross-legged sit. Place your right hand on your left knee, left hand behind for a twist. With inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the left, look back. You can just stay here or add a half bind. Left hand reaching for right inner thigh. A bit more shoulder stretch. Come back to center, switch to the other side. With inhale, lengthen. With exhale, twist. And stay here or reach your right hand for your left inner thigh. Come back to center and let's finish with a breath together. Inhale, reach arms up. Exhale, bring your palms to your heart. This was day 21, the end of third week of our challenge. Thank you for practicing with me. I'm looking forward to the next week. See you tomorrow. Bye!